Hey y'all, this is Meredith, and I want to show you how to play a book in Book Creator and also use the Read to Me function. So in your library, when you have your book open, in the top right hand corner, you're going to see play. So I'm going to go ahead and hit play. It's going to make this book live. Okay, and I'm going to see arrows to the right that will flip my pages. Okay, this is not a complete book, but I do want to show you a sample. This is a book about the respiratory system. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just flip through here and see how this book looks. Okay, it's got some pictures, some good info. Okay, and we get to this page and it even has audio. Okay, so when I click to play the audio,
Carbon dioxide goes back out your lungs and through your windpipe. Then it goes out of your nose.
Okay, so that is him reading. Okay, that's audio that the author has added to the book. Okay, now we also have the option to use the Read to Me function. Okay, when I go to Read to Me, it's going to read all of the text. It'll start playing any of the audio and it will play video.
Image. The respiratory system. Xavier Smith.
It does turn the page automatically.
In this book you will learn about the lungs and how the respiratory system works. Here is a drawing of the respiratory system.
Okay, and I'm going to click stop reading in the top right hand corner to get that to stop reading. Okay, you also have options for which voices it will use to read, the whether or not you want the pages displayed side by side or one at a time, whether or not you want it to highlight words and play the media, turn the page automatically, and you can also speed up and slow down the voice. Okay, so if you need to choose voices, you certainly can right here. All right.